Hi, welcome back to another tutorial of the Futures Platform full version. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own phenomena. On Futures Platform you have the flexibility of customizing new phenomena according to your needs. Navigate to Phenomena at the top of the page. Click on the Create New button. Start by selecting the language and the group that you want the new phenomenon to show up. Give your phenomenon a title and a brief description. Then you can select a phenomenon type. Selecting the correct phenomenon type helps you to visualize the impact of the phenomenon to the big picture. You can find more information about phenomenon type in our Knowledge Hub. Now you can add video and image to your phenomenon. Next, in the main content and detailed information, you can provide more information about the phenomenon and the reasons why you think it should be considered. You can also choose related phenomena to give viewers better understanding of your phenomenon. At the bottom of the page, you will see an option to add RSS feeds. Finally, click on the Create button to finish creating your new phenomenon. You can find more instructions and information on the Futures Platform Hub or contact us at support@futuresplatform.com for more help.